And Your Excellency, on that note, I want to assure you, we are cognizant of the fact that we have made tremendous strides in terms of development, wealth creation, and service delivery in Bukedi. The Bukedi are not only going to support the NRM, the Bukedi are not only willing to support all the flag bearers because of what you have done for us, but also because we have the trust that the NRM party is going to complete what it started.
The second one is the development. We did this road very early in our government. We did it and we have done it again. We have repaired it again. This road from Uganda to Mbale. Then we have added the one of Tirinyi Parisa Kumi. We are now going to do the one of Navmari, Butareja, up to Lamutumba on the other side. The roads we have done a good work. No. On the electricity, work also has been done. Electricity has reached many of the areas. Telephones, you all now have telephones in your pockets. The sub-counties in Budaka, 14 of them have got health center 3s. There is one health center 4. So only 6 sub-counties do not have health center 3 now. And I've seen here, they are planning to upgrade Butove health center 2 in Tadameri sub-county health center 3. Then construct new health center 3s in Kakori, Kamonkori, Iki, Kachomo, and Kabuna sub-counties.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.